Hello my rubies, my beautiful primas. So today I'm going to be doing the soft girl glam makeup aesthetic, but I'm going to be doing a brown neutral look. It's super wearable day and night and it's super chic. So if you want to see how I get the look, then keep watching. So for my serum today, I'm going to be using my Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It is everything and y'all need this. Y'all really need this. It's amazing. I love a good fresh serum. So fresh and cold. Oh, love it. So for my moisturizer today, I'm gonna use my Kiwi Spa Super Berry Hydrating Cream. It smells so good. I love a good cream, you guys. So basically, a lot of like soft girls love to do soft makeup, obviously, but it's all in the technique. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that. And I feel like soft girls definitely care about their skin. And in general, the key to a good face is the skin prep. Now for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using my Good Molecules Silicone Free Primer Moisturizer. You guys, this moisturizer, it's a 2-in-1. I never trusted the 2-in-1s, just like the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Like, I never did, but the Good Molecules one, on point. Like, I just trust everything they put in their ingredients. I kicked my cat out and he's literally meowing at the door, so if you guys hear anything, it's my badass cat right outside the door. So yeah, I know you guys see something different. Well, if you guys didn't know, I cut my hair and I straightened it. I don't know when's the next time you're probably gonna see me with straight hair, but absorb this, like, because I am a natural curly girl. My hair has been curly for 6 years straight, going on 7. Definitely watch my previous video because it's me straightening my hair for the first time in almost 7 years. So definitely watch that. So for my foundation today, I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's the dewy one in pure beige in 235. I wanted to go with a more medium coverage foundation. This is medium to full coverage, but medium coverage I feel like fits best for like the soft girl makeup aesthetic. In placing this foundation, I'm going to place it first where like little dark marks are, or any scars like that, or just gray areas, so my foundation can sit on that. And then the other places, obviously just put foundation on it. Now I'm going to be blending out this foundation with my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. I love this brush. Now that the foundation's blended, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Medium Peach. Now to blend out this highlight, I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Deluxe Foundation Brush. I love this because it buffs out nicely. So for my cream bronzer today, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty cream bronzer in Teddy. It is the bomb. Stipple all that in. Now that I have this glowy foundation look going on, I'm going to warm up my face just a little bit with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie. Now that my face is all contoured up and bronzed up, I'm going to be using my cream bronzer and I'm going to be contouring my Cupid's bow and then my nose. Okay, you guys, so now for the blush part. A soft girl or boy, they're not gonna skip out on the blush. Even though they're doing that soft no makeup look, they are not gonna skip out on that blush. That's the first thing you might see. But yes, today I'm gonna be using my Benefit ChaCha lip and cheek tint in Mango. It is so beautiful. I like putting my blush right over here, right where I would put my highlight, not right on my face. Other soft girls love putting their blush on their nose, but I just don't like that look, okay? And see how that just adds that flush of color, like, yes. So I did my eyebrows off camera, but now I forgot one step, and it is to set these certain places on my face. I always set under here for a chiseled face, right underneath the cheekbone. Now I'm going to be using my Highbrow Glow highlighting stick from Benefit. I'm going to put it right underneath my eyebrows. So you guys, now onto the eyes. I'm going to be using my Curse by Nature palette from Morphe. It is such a beautiful warm palette. I love it so much. And elongated like this. Now that that's packed on there, I'm going to be adding this brown right on top of this. Over here. And then curving it this way for that nice depth. I'm going to go back with this brush and blend it. Out. And flick it for a nice winged out look. You guys, guess what time it is? It's time to cut that crease. It's time to cut that crease. Cut the crease. Cut the crease. Cut the crease. It's the way. It's the way. Yo, that is my jam, I swear. So now for the soft girl eye makeup look, I'm gonna cut this crease, but not too much. Just like this. When you're cutting this crease, you don't want to be as precise. So now that I cut that crease softly, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right over here, and I'm gonna be placing that right on there. Okay, now that is on there, I'm going to deepen up the look a little more and go back into this brown shade. I'm just gonna use this brown to deepen up the look again. And like that. Love it. And now I'm going to repeat this step right on this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm back, I finished up my eyes and I used my Glamnetic lashes and blush. And I used brown liner instead of black for a softer look. They're so beautiful. But now, time for highlight. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter in How Many Carats. I love it so much. I'm just gonna place it right there where the natural light hits. And right on here, right on the Cupid's bow, not on my lip. A little bit right here. Tip of the nose. And now onto the lips. For my lips, I'm gonna be using my Morphe liquid lipstick in True Story. This is the nude lipstick. Like, I love it so much. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I had so much fun doing this soft glam look. It's super wearable. But until then, keep shining, and I love you guys. Bye.